Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna be making Pokemon ball pizzas. So I have these little, they're kind of small, like personal size pizza crusts. This Mama Mary's brand. Just got this from Walmart. And then we have our sauce, cheese, pepperoni, and then olives to
we're making a Pokemon pizza.
A little surprise gift. I have two little surprise guests right down here under my feet. They wanted to make this video for you guys. So we're gonna make these pizzas for dinner. We'll show you how we make them and hope you enjoy.
Hello, we're making a Pokemon pizza. Hello. Pizza legs, cheese, pepperoni, olive fingers, and sauce. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye. Bye. Have a good Christmas. So the olives are for the black thing in the middle. And yes, I'm not touching olives. I'm not touching olives. Pokeball pizzas turned out so goodery. Goodery, Mr. B. Thanks for watching. Pizza from out of the sky. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining Pokemon pizza. No, it's raining pizza. Raining Pokemon pizza because and it's not Pokemon pizza.